Fontana Napoli 8 Chrome Finish Rain Bath Shower Set. Product code FS9737. This Fontana Napoli 8 Chrome Finish Rain Bath Shower Set complement classic or contemporary spaces with their versatile design and effortless installation. This shower set exemplifies the FontanaShowers collection understated style with its wall-mount shower head and dual handle, one for the shower head and another for hand shower. Create a spa-like oasis in your bathroom with this rain shower head. All our products are of unique design and excellent quality. Fontana Napoli 8 Gold Finish Rain Bath Shower Set features brand name FontanaShowers. Model number FS9737. Main valve material ceramic. Number of handles single handle shower head style classic. Type shower set. Flow rate 2.5 gallons per minute GPM. Handle material zinc alloy. Water control type single holder, double control. Hot and cold, yes. Surface treatment polished. Size 8 inches. Color chrome. Material solid brass. Shape style round.